Today I'm going to show you how to do the kpk1. It's a knit, pull, knit into the same stitch on the left hand needle. We use it in our moss and maple baby blanket and it creates a beautiful textured look. So let me show you how we do it. You're going to knit into the first stitch, yarn around, pull through, but here we're not going to drop the stitch off the left hand needle. You're actually going to take your right hand needle, swing it to the back, then we're going to bring our yarn forward because now we need to pull into that same stitch. Take your needle, push it into the same stitch, wrap the yarn around and pull it through. Once again, we're not going to drop the stitch off the left hand needle. We did a knit and a pull. Now we need to put the yarn to the back again and we're going to finally knit that stitch once more. Yarn around, pull it through, and now we can drop the stitch off the left hand needle. So you can see we actually created 2 additional stitches. Let me show you once more. kpk1. So we go into the stitch. This is our first knit. Pull it through. Swing the needle to the back. Bring your yarn forward. We're going to pull that stitch. Yarn around. Pull it through. Once again, do not drop the left hand stitch off the needle. Take the yarn to the back. And we're finally going to knit that same stitch once more. And knit. And now we can drop the stitch off the left hand needle. And that is how you do a kpk1.